Hey guys, it's Azad from Crew TV. We're going to do a tour of Alex's Acadia townhouse. We're just walking distance down the McLeod Trail, and Alex has done a full-blown renovation, and we want to show you. And the reason why we want to show you, average rents in this complex roughly go for $2,200. We just signed a lease at $2,700, which will make this property cash flow up to $800 in this market. Come on in, let's go take a look. So when you come in through the front door, Alex actually put this back in. This was open plan, and Alex had seen other townhouses with this floor plan, and he decided to put it back in. And when he actually bought this property, we had a $30,000 budget to renovate it. When we opened up the walls, it was a disaster, and that blew out the budget to 65,000. We've put in all new windows, all new plumbing, all new electrical, baseboards, appliances, brand new kitchen, 2 brand new bathrooms for $60,000. The vinyl plank, if you could see what it looks like in here, this is what tenants want to live in. A townhouse, it is rare to get your own courtyard. So if someone has a little dog, which the tenant that's coming does, they have their own courtyard. It's facing west, so you get sun all day long. You have separate dining, and the living room is a good size. When we come through here, the kitchen, he actually replaced the stack that's behind the wall here. When we opened it up, we realized that that had to be replaced, and he actually gutted it and started it off again. So going high end, doing a 60,000 plus reno is worth it when you're cash flowing $800 per month. Let's take you upstairs. Okay, so Alex's place replaced all the light fixtures, all brand new doors. It is 3 bedrooms. Once again, new windows as well. He didn't spare any expense.
There's triple pane windows as well.
Triple pane. And so when Alex opened up the electrical, he has rewired this whole townhouse. New cupboards. And then at the end here, you have 1 bathroom upstairs, which has been gutted as well, and then fully reinstalled. Huge counter, brand new bathtub, and this tile is really in fashion right now. And behind Tim is a linen closet. Yeah.
All right, let's check out the basement.
Let's go do it. Okay, so we're downstairs. Now, the best thing about having a townhouse with a basement, they're easier to rent out. The reason being, it gives the tenants 2 spaces to chill out. This actually has 3 because it has a courtyard where people will actually use. They could set that up and they could hang outside. In the winter months, they can come down here. Even in the summer months, it's nice and cool. What's the temperature today, Tim? Like 28?
It's like almost 30 out there, and it feels like 20 in here.
20 in here. It's beautiful. And then
just want to show them this new panel they put in.
Yeah, brand new panel, all new heating ducts in here as well. And then in here in the basement, we got this kit from IKEA. It came chipped the glass, so he's getting a new glass put in. But having a bathroom down here, what it allows for the tenant to do is use this space to relax and then not have to run all the way upstairs. They got the bathroom in here, and then coming through, we're lucky we had a newer furnace already when we bought the property. And then the washer and dryer, he's stacked it back here. So you know what? It's perfect for tenants. This is out of the way. Alex is still cleaning up down here, and he'll remove his tools. And so once again, average townhouses in this complex will rent for $2,200. We just rented this for $2,700. So what that tells us, that tenants are willing to pay for quality. So if you're renovating out there, even if it's a rental property, I mean, getting that extra $500 a month is definitely worth it. Even if you spent 50 grand on your rental property, you can charge that much more. Getting a 10% return monthly on it is fantastic. That is our tour of the Burr in Acadia. For everybody out there, the numbers are, we bought this for $330. We spent $65 on it. Today's value is roughly around $450,000. So Alex has roughly made $50,000 ARV. The aim is after a 3-year term is to refinance, pull some of this equity out, and then use that to go again so Alex can grow his portfolio and he'll be on to property number, by that time, number 4, or I bet he'll be on it before then. That is our wrap up of our tour. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Crew TV, and why don't you guys come down to one of our free sessions we hold bi-weekly online. We cover all different tips on investing, and you guys can learn a few things out there. Have a great day.
And if anyone's wondering, Azad's carrying the Chick-fil-A drink around. He's trying to become a pitch man for Chick-fil-A. He likes it so much. And it's just around the corner from Alex's place. So that's why he's got it.
Had to get it.